Selamünaleyküm everyone, welcome to OZR Projects YouTube Real Estate channel. I am Hakan OZR. If you're watching us for first time, this video is going to be about our company and about our services. You know, social proofs are so important in this case too. If you have the ChatGPT in your hand, you can ask the same question to ChatGPT too. Give me some information about OZR Projects real estate company in Turkey.
OZR Projects is a real estate company based in Turkey, recognized for its commitment to transparency, integrity, and client-focused services. They offer a comprehensive range of services from property buying and selling to investment and professional real estate advice. The company has over a decade of experience in the industry and prides itself on providing a seamless and rewarding real estate journey for its clients. They feature various types of properties, including family-oriented apartment projects, comfy villa compounds, and full sea view apartment projects, catering to diverse client needs. If you need more specific information or are interested in their current property listings, it might be helpful to visit their official website directly.
In this case, we specialize for our services city of Kocaeli and region of Sapanca in Sakarya. And in close future, we are planning to serve out to very ultra luxury apartment projects in European side of Istanbul. So basically how we are working. We are on the market. We are on the business more than 10 years, and during these 10 years most of our clients are coming from the abroad. Generally we are serving for foreigner clients, buyers in Turkey. In this case we are aware about the importance of the transparency and trustworthy. We are cooperating with very reliable construction companies and we are trying to choose the most suitable products according to your requirement. As the OZR Projects real estate company in Turkey, analyzing of your requirements is so important too. And when you come over here, you are not just buying a property, you are buying the abilities of the city and the region too. When you come over here, you will see we will make the detailed tour. At the same time, you will see the property opportunities in our beautiful regions too. And generally, we are not selling. We are acting like we are buying ourselves. Empathy in real estate business is so important. So that when I'm making the negotiation with the construction company, I have such a reputation in this case. I'm trying to squeeze them to provide the most beneficial opportunities for you. In this case, you can ask me question. What is Kocaeli? Where is Kocaeli? City of Kocaeli is directly next to Istanbul, and the closest international airport, which is Sabiha Gökçen International Airport, it is just 40 minutes far away. You can think about the city of Kocaeli, very modern city in Turkey, and it has very green nature too. And as a foreigner, believe me, you can reach to very good conditions in our city of Kocaeli, because when we compare the life expenses and especially property expenses, you can get easily more benefit with less payment too. And over here I can define our city completely, definitely family friendly. And the other advantages of living in Turkey as a foreigner, especially if your income is basing on from abroad as a euro or dollar, believe me, you can handle your life conditions in very good condition too. Of course, there are some handicaps. So what are these handicaps? Language is a barrier, but believe me, you can fix that barrier in 6 months easily. And we can give the support in this case too, because we are also cooperating with some English schools too. Easily within 6 months, you can start speaking Turkish too. For more information, you can directly contact us. If you like our videos, please not forget to like our videos. If you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel yet, please subscribe our YouTube channel too. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.